In today's video, I'm going to teach you install Google and YouTube apps on Shopify, a step-by-step guide. By the end, you'll have the official Google and YouTube app installed in your Shopify store and your Google account connected, so you're ready to move into setup and product syncing. Start on your Shopify admin dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct store and that you have permission to install apps. From the Apps section, choose the option to add an app. This opens the area where you can browse and install tools that extend your store's capabilities. Next, select Shopify App Store to open the marketplace in a new tab. If a pop-up is blocked, allow it or open the link in a new tab manually. In the search bar, type Google and YouTube. You're looking for the official Google and YouTube channel app. On the app listing page, glance over the description and permissions so you understand what the app will access. When you're ready, click Install to add it to your store. Shopify will bring you back to an installation confirmation screen. Review the requested permissions one more time, then click Install again to approve. This step authorizes the app to connect with your store, which is required for features like syncing products and connecting channels. After the app installs, it will open inside your Shopify admin. You'll see a prompt to connect your Google account. Click Connect Google Account. A Google sign-in window will appear. If you're already signed into one or more Google accounts in your browser, you'll see them listed. Choose the account you want associated with your store. If you use multiple Google accounts, pick the one that manages your brand's Google services to avoid confusion later. Google will display a permissions screen outlining what the app can view and manage, such as basic profile information, and read access needed for integrations. Review these details carefully. When everything looks good, click Allow or Continue to grant access and complete the connection. If you don't see this window, check your browser's pop-up settings or try again in a private window. That's it for the core installation and account connection. From here, the app will guide you through any remaining onboarding inside Shopify, including optional settings you can configure later. A quick tip before we wrap up. If you run into permission errors or the install button is disabled, make sure you're an admin on the Shopify store and that you're using the correct Google account. Also, keep your browser updated to prevent sign-in issues. You've successfully installed the Google and YouTube app and connected your Google account in Shopify. Great job, and see you in the next video.